Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, a working email and a Canadian phone contact, because Facebook will verify one or both. Once ready, turn on a reliable Canada VPN and pick a city IP. This reduces location flags. Make sure to clear cookies or open a private browser window so old data won't interfere. Now go to Facebook. And click Create New Account. Enter your name, birthday, and the Canadian phone or email you prepared. This starts the official sign-up flow. Now complete the form carefully. Type your real name and a birthday that matches ID formatting, then add the Canadian phone number or email you control. Choose a strong password and request the verification code. Enter it immediately. Make sure the VPN stays connected to the same Canadian IP during verification and avoid switching locations mid-process. Once verified, fill in basic profile fields, location, hometown, and language, and pick privacy settings. Finish by confirming any remaining Facebook prompts and enabling recovery options like a backup email and two-factor authentication. This secures the account. If verification fails, make sure your VPN is still set to the same Canadian location and retry. Sometimes using a different Canadian phone number or a reputable SMS service resolves issues. If you still get flagged, wait a few hours and avoid switching IP regions. One key troubleshooting tip: keep all location and verification info consistent for 48 to 72 hours to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.